Indian women are champions of the world after beating South Africa in the finals at the Navi Mumbai D.Y. Patil Stadium 2 years ago. CNBC TV18 had felicitated the team at the India Business Leader Awards. Captain Harmanpreet Kaur, Smriti Mandhana, Jemimah Rodrigues and former cricketing legends like Mithali Raj and Jhulan Goswami were all there with us on the IBLA stage. It was then that the BCCI General Secretary Jay Shah had addressed the issue of pay parity in cricket. Harmanpreet Kaur had said that winning the World Cup was going to be the top priority, and Team India has managed to do that. And how? Take a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a proud moment it is to see these women standing tall here. I mean, this truly deserves a bigger round of applause to see them here. But Mr. Shah, I want to ask you, it's a very significant move, the move towards gender parity. What was the thinking behind that? What made you want to get this done?
So honestly, I took over as a secretary of the board in 2019. So first, women player played their first ever ping ball test in Australia, and we nominated in Australia. And when I took over once again as a secretary of the board in 2022, there was no same match fees. So I just told my colleague that we can't allow discrimination. So entire board agrees to me, and we did pay parity for men and women. And after that, in next meeting, we launched successful WPL. So all agreed, and these are results.
This is absolutely the result. So let me come to the pioneers of cricket for women in India. Mithali, it's so good to have you back here at India Business Leader Awards. I want to understand from each one of you, and we've spoken about this previously as well, but do you believe that today we stand at an inflection point where it is no longer something that parents will consider as a possibility for their daughters to do, but there is a dramatic, visible change that's taken place?
Well, good evening, everybody. I think, as you rightly said, it's a revolutionary step by BCCI. Past 2 years, we've seen, a lot of changes for women's cricket. Big thanks to our leader, Jay Shah sir, and the rest in BCCI who've taken the initiative. And yes, women's cricket has come a long way from where we've started, and it's more a viable sport now, a lucrative offer for a lot of young girls who look up to these girls as role models. We get to see them on television putting up the best standard of women's cricket, and I'm sure there are many girls who want to sort of walk in their path.
Well, I'm sure many girls do want to walk down that path. Jhulan, aapse पूछना चाहूंगी, what is the message that you would like to send out to young girls who are watching each and every one of you today on this stage?
Well, good evening, everyone. I think WPL is going to be a game changer, definitely, because I have an academy in Kolkata, and every time young girls is coming, 2017, they want to play for India, and now they are saying they want to participate in a WPL. So this is a game changer moment, and we must celebrate this moment. And thanks to BCCI, Jai sir and Arun sir and everyone. And definitely in coming years, these girls will definitely participate in the World Cup, and hopefully they're going to do well in that platform also.
We have the ODI World Cup next year in India, so I want all of you to cheer for our national side.
So, Smriti, all set now to be the game changer, so to speak?
Well, firstly, good evening, everyone, and firstly, thank you for this award. And yeah, I think the times have changed for women's cricket, but we are the game changers. That's what people think. But I think all thanks to people who have played before us as well. I think that's a big one, because they kept women's cricket going and they kept it alive. And I think we are benefiting out of it. Definitely this generation. So we are all really thankful for the generations which have played before us. And definitely we'll try our best to be a good role model for people, for the girls, young girls, and hopefully all the young girls start picking up bat and ball and start playing cricket and have a dream to play for India more and WPL a little less.
Well, you know, a little bird tells me that it's not just the bat that you're picking up, Jemima. I understand that you pick up the guitar pretty often as well. And we do have a little bit of a surprise for you. Can we have the guitar coming out? And Jemima playing for women and inspiring women here. And you've got all of your colleagues to accompany you. So we've got the guitar coming right out. And
If you all know the song, please join me. आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी
ladies and gentlemen, the fabulous Jemima, thank you so much. And I'm going to hop across to the two of you as well. Thank you so much for joining us here. What's the next milestone?
आई थिंक जैसे अभी जैमी ने बोला कि अब मुश्किल कुछ भी नहीं बिकॉज यू नो जैसे हमें बीसीसीआई से और सबसे सपोर्ट मिल रही है एंड ऑफ कोर्स नेक्स्ट जो हमारा टारगेट है वो वर्ल्ड कप ही है क्योंकि जब भी हम कभी भी किसी टूर्नामेंट में जाते हैं वही एक मोटिव रहता है और एवरी टाइम यू नो कमिंग टू क्लोज स्टिल टू फार और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप जैसे मिताली दी ने बोला अभी इंडिया में होने वाला है वी वांट यू नो एवरीवन टू कम एंड वॉच अस चीयर फॉर इंडियन टीम एंड होपफुली यू नो ये जो वर्ल्ड कप होगा हम जीतेंगे.
We are going to take a break. There's a lot more coming up. Don't go anywhere. We'll join you right back.